happy ending in 99 days in the forest. First, they wanted to prepare to leave, and then Dino Kid heard a deer sound calling him. It was the deer on the game, and he actually went there, and he was following his deer mother, and then he accidentally went to the cultist base, and he found the cure. And then after that, when he looked behind, he was scared, but all of his brothers and sisters also came with him, and also the soldiers preparing to come with him. And then he found the cure, and then they both decided to go where the deer was, and then they injected it, and then the deer finally was happy, and then the deer hugged all her children.